Hello everyone. Our group project is to implement image search using the VLAD and the BOF algorithm. And the goal is to return the most similar image to a user input image from an image dataset. And our project helps users build their own image search system, where they only need to input their customer dataset into the program and generate the corresponding VLAD vectors file. When a user wants to perform an image search, the program will compare the image with the data in the VLAD vectors file and return the result. The algorithm is suitable for large-scale image retrieval tasks. And for VLAD algorithm part, our team using 4 file to implement it. For the app file, it's a user input program, and it will accept 3 algorithms. The first argument is to the Quarrel image, and the second is the vocabulary file path, and the third is the VLAD model path. And we can see we use the VLAD YAML and the vocabulary YAML to save the VLAD vector model and the visual vocabulary. And for the build VLAD vector, this is just a main function and calls the VLAD process. And the most important file is the VLAD process. In this file, we implement some VLAD steps, like extract features using SIFT, and build the visual vocabulary using k-means, and also save the VLAD vector model into the disk, also compute the VLAD vector using this kn search function. And for the data loader, it will load the image from the image set path, and also build an image index map. The map will record the image path and the image index. And then I will run the program. As for the dataset, we use 2 directories. The first is the test, and the second is the training. And for the training, we found some cartoon characters like this one or this one. And for the test, we found two images. The first image is a toy of Remy, and the second is a Mickey audio system. And the first thing I will build the VLAD vector and the vocabulary file using build VLAD vector using this main function. And the first parameter is the training image path, like this one. And the second is where to save the vocabulary file, and the third is to where to save the VLAD vector file. And I will run it. The first step is to loading image, and then extract image feature using SIFT. And then build the visual vocabulary using k-means, and then calculate the VLAD vector and normalizing it. Then finally, it's the data save. We can see there are some data in this YAML file. This one is the VLAD vector, and this one is the vocabulary. You can see it's the 128. Because in the paper, the author also used the dimension of 128. And this is the data of the visual vocabulary. Okay, so next I will test the program. So when the user query the first image in the test is the toy of Remy. Okay, let me see, and I will run it. We can see the program returned the most similar image is also the Remy. Is correct. And then I will do another test. Another test is to using Mickey audio system. This picture, Mickey audio system, and let me see what will output. Okay, we can see the program output the most similar image in the image set is also a Mickey, cartoon characters, and it's correct. And this is the demo for VLAD algorithm. Thank you for everyone.